do if the flowers we got from last Shabbos are still lively and healthy? Do we still buy fresh flowers, or are we allowed to keep them for this Shabbos as well? If we do buy new flowers, can we add to the existing ones, or do we have to change them out?
Okay, so it's a very good question. So it's first of all, it's a very, very good blessing when you have flowers from last Shabbos. So I would say there is one solution: buy more vases. That's it. So and try not to mix. It's practical. It's not has nothing to do with halachah. I see what my wife does. So because one type of flower can kill another, and even sometimes they put it in one bouquet because it looks nice, but they would kill each other. So just keep them separate. So it's like one that was blessing for one Shabbos. This is blessing for another Shabbos, and all of this. It's like look at these bouquets. Like it was paid off. So it's like if you not going to buy new flowers, then the money is lost. Like you have this whatever $10, $15 for the flowers. You're going to spend it, good. But if you're not going to spend it, you're going to lose $15. So $10, whatever it costs where you live. So yeah, we buy new flowers and keep the old ones. Like where's the connection? So in my house, sometimes we have flowers for 3 Shabbos. Like sometimes, like in the winter, when it's even for 4. So you have 4 bouquets, 5 bouquets. Sometimes, like they say, a smaller one, so we have to buy 2. So yeah, it's like it beautifies the house for sure. Keep all of them. Buy vases, not expensive. Okay, go ahead. Next question.
So let me add to that. So we good to buy fresh flowers every Shabbos?
Yes, I mean for Friday night, yeah. Mm-hmm. Friday day, if you don't have time, like if it's like too close to Shabbos, like for example, some people work and don't have time, and it's like out of the way to get the flowers, so you can get get them Thursday night if there is no other way. But if preferable, of course, Friday. Right.